Universal, powered by McCulloch, provides garden power accessories to maintain and enhance your equipment, helping you tackle virtually any outdoor job, from mowing to sawing to brush cutting and beyond. To start from cold, always start your chainsaw on the floor. Anchor the chainsaw with your foot. Make sure the choke is open and the chain brake is on. Push the primer up to 6 times. Make sure the on-off ignition switch is on. Pull the recoil start a few times until the engine fires or engages. Then push the choke back in halfway. Pull the recoil again to start the product. When started, close the choke. Throttle for over 15 seconds to warm the engine, and crucially test the chain brake is functional at least twice. To start the saw from warm, follow the same steps but don't press the primer bulb, and only open the choke halfway as you may flood the engine. For safety reasons, when the saw is running, only ever release the chain brake when making a cut or when you're running to warm up. Reapply on finishing the cut. When running, you should also test to make sure the chain is being properly lubricated. Taking care to always have 2 hands on the saw, place the saw chain a few inches away from a clean surface and apply full throttle. You should see the chain oil spray the surface like this. The saw chain is designed to cut wood, and wood only. Do not allow the chain to touch dirt, sand, roots or foreign material, as the cutters will be dulled immediately and performance will be affected. Be aware, be safe, and enjoy using this simple and very effective garden machine.